Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope everyone is fine. Now this video is applicable for all CA students whether they are writing CA foundation exam or CA inter exam or CA final exam. Normally a student who is writing CA exam will ask a question that sir, should we follow the ICI suggested solution? Now when you ask this question, actually there are 3 points which we need to discuss. First point is, should we follow the ICI presentation for the solution? Second, should we follow the wrong solution given by the ICI? Third question, should we follow the assumption taken by ICI in giving that solution? So we are here to discuss that 3 particular point. And normally before exam, normally student panic because of this situation. Whenever they start discussing, so in that discussion it might happen some student will say that we need to follow only ICI study material, and if that student is following their own faculty material, so there might be some type of panic, and with that panic fear will come. With that fear, what will happen? Concentration will not come and they will not be able to concentrate in studies. So I am here to just remove that all doubt from your minds. Correct? Can we start discussion? But before we start discussion, can I say don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. Okay? Yes sir. Now let us come to the discussion. So what we observe, should a student follow ICI study material solution? First question is what? Whether we should follow the presentation given for the solution by ICI. Now when I say presentation means, can I say main solution will be what, balance sheet or what, journal entry? In journal entry balance sheet, normally the same balance sheet will be given by ICI and same balance sheet will be given by what, your faculty, because the format remains same. Journal entry will be also same. Normally in working note, doubt will come that working note presentation may be different from ICI, from whatever is given by ICI and given by faculty. Correct? Now for example, in consolidation, if you are saying the presentation may be different, now doubt will come, should we follow the same presentation given by ICI for working note? Can you see working note does not have any format? Working note does not have any format. Working note vary from student to student. Yes, we need to give working note, but can we say we can't memorize the format given for the working note given by ICI? Correct? So what I am saying, so we just I am here to remove the doubts whatever you have in your mind. So should we follow the ICI presentation for solution? The first question, can you follow it? If you can follow it now. Why you asking the question? If you can follow it. Means if I am a student and if I can follow the ICI solution, follow it. There is no question on that. But if you can't follow it, so I will say don't panic. Follow whatever solution is given by your faculty. Don't worry. Marks will be given for the correct solution. Working note, we have marks, but working note has marks for the solution, not for the format. Believe me, my student also follow my solution. They have also got good marks in FR exam. So there is no need to follow the same format, whatever is given, same format or same presentation given by ICI solution. But if you can follow it, follow it. Understood? Yes sir. Second, should we follow the wrong solution given by ICI? There are many questions where some wrong solution has been given. Once again I will say, because this is the ICI exam, and if you can memorize the solution, then follow that. Once again, there is no doubt. If you can memorize it, then follow that. Now there are sometimes clerical mistake. Can a clerical mistake we can understand, but there are some conceptual mistake. Means as per your faculty, there may be some different concept, but ICI is following some different journal entry or whatever as per different concept. Correct? Now I will say don't take risk. Why you are taking risk? Can you memorize it? If you can memorize it, then follow that. But if you can't memorize it, because you are conceptually student, you are concept, your entire answer based on concept, so of course you can't memorize. Don't panic. Once second, I will say write down the answer exam as per the concept only. Believe me, you will be given marks. Correct? So what I am saying, that can you memorize it? If you can memorize the wrong answer, then follow it. But if you cannot memorize, why you are in fear? Follow the correct solution. Don't worry about marks right now. ICI will give marks. Don't worry. Understood what I am saying? But first preference I am saying, can you memorize it? Yes. Then follow it now. If you can't memorize, then use your concept in exam. Believe me, if you memorize and if you are conceptual student in exam, you write whatever concept says. Understood? Yes, sir. Now, about ICI assumption, there are many assumptions taken by ICI in writing the solution, for doing the solution. For example, I'll take one example in lease. Normally, if the question is silent about lease payment, normally we assume lease payment are made at the beginning of the year. This is a general assumption. There are many general assumptions taken by ICI. So, should we follow that? Can we take some other assumption? Can we do the solution by taking lease payment at the end of the year? No. This is no, strictly no means you need to follow only the assumption taken by ICI. So what I am, yes, you need to follow the same assumption. If you are taking some other assumption, your answer may be correct as per that assumption, but then also you might not be given marks. So this is, I will say, risky. I will say in this you are taking risk if you are taking some other assumption. But believe me, for presentation there is no risk, even though you are following different presentation. For wrong solution, if there is a wrong solution, so ICI will correct it. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about it right now before exam. Correct now. And normally wrong solution question they don't ask only. Even though they ask if you can memorize it and follow ICI solution. If you can't memorize, follow the concept. Understood? This is the entire whatever I just want to say about what ICI study material solution provided by ICI in the study material or RTP or MTP. Understood? Correct? I hope this video will help you. Thank you very much. All the best for exam. Love you all. Bye bye.